right, let's prepare some St. Louis style ribs. I'm just going to find that top bone. I already cut that little skirt off. Cut it straight across. I'm going to cut it down right about here. And that piece right there I'm going to be using for another cook. I'm going to square it off on this end. Save all those pieces. I'm going to take off the silver skin and cut off some of the fat. It has a little bit of fat on it right there. And look at that. Those look just about perfect. Now, I'm going to use some Ms. Dixie's Memphis Style Barbecue Rub that Craig at Behind the Garage Barbecue used on some wings. This stuff is really good. I'm just going to put a nice thick coat. I'm going to let them sit in the fridge for about 8 or 9 hours. And then we'll get them out and get them ready. Okay, so I've had these ribs in the refrigerator for about 8, 9 hours with the Memphis Rub on there, and now I'm going to get them on the skewer. Just going to go through one bone here. It's a little tiny rack, so not going to take too much to get that, find the other opening. And there we go. Get that about in the center. I mean, that's it. This is just a small little rack. And we're going to get this out on the rotisserie and get it cooked up. All right, I think that will work. Look at that. Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and today it's a beautiful day, so I decided to do some Memphis style ribs. I cut down some St. Louis ribs. I got them on the rotisserie. This rub has been on here for 8 hours. I didn't have time to do it overnight, but that's okay. I'm going to get this cooked going. These things look beautiful, and I'm actually going to throw some pecan wood on here. My youngest son had a pecan tree. Branch, a limb or whatever fell off, and he sent me a bunch of the twigs from there. So I'm going to throw these on. We're going to get a little pecan wood on this for these ribs. So let's get these on here. Okay, I let the pecan wood burn off a little of that initial heavy smoke. So we're going to set these ribs in here like this. Look at that. All right. We'll be back. Okay, it's been an hour. Let's give that a check. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That looks amazing. Gotta let that just spin. Look at that. All right, I don't think we're quite there. We're gonna put this lid back on and we'll see in a little bit. I'm going to reduce the heat a little bit. We'll shut those off about half, and I'll shut this down here, just a little bit. All right, we're an hour and a half in. Let's turn that off. Oh, look at that. Now this is darker. That Memphis Rub had sugar in it, but that's all right. Let's oh, yeah, they're soft. What do we got on a temp? 203. So I'm going to pull these off, let them rest, and cut into them. Look at that. All right. All in all, it was a hotter and faster cook on the rotisserie. That rub is amazing. Right, we had some pecan wood for the smoke. Teeny tiny bit of a smoke ring right there. Okay, let's give these a try. Okay, these are my rotisserie St. Louis style ribs. They cooked probably faster than I intended. Hour and a half, nice fast cook. I don't know if you can see the glistening on there or not. They are nice and juicy. The dark color is probably from that rub. It does have brown sugar in it, but hey, look at that. It does have a smoke ring. Let's give it a try because it smells fantastic. Right to the bone. Oh man, I did not sauce these. I did not spritz them. I did not wrap them. They just went for an hour and a half. They had that pecan wood smoke on it. Oh my gosh. Man. With just that Memphis style, Dixie's Memphis style barbecue rub that Craig over at Behind the Garage Barbecue makes. I made some. It's all I used on these, and they are delicious. They're just fantastic. What can I say? I just want to keep eating them. Oh my goodness. Yep. Look at that. Perfectly done. Nice and tender. That outside bark. Oh my gosh. Okay. I've got another one ready here. I'll stop eating in front of you. They're just that good. I just want to keep eating them. Man. Okay, well, there you go. Don't forget to hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next video.